How to create your own Snapchat filter. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to search for custom Snapchat filter or create Snapchat filter, and you have to go for this create.snapchat.com. and if you can't see the create.snapchat, or if it's saying that it's not available in your country, you have to simply turn on the VPN. So once you are done, you have to start by selecting your category. So in my case, I am going for the weddings. Simply select one of these if you would like, and it will show you the templates according to your selection. So let's say I want to go with this one, and now let's go for the elements, which is basically these emojis with person. So you can also do a bunch of more things, but for now I am going for the simple one. You can also go for the colors if you want to. So once you are done editing, you have to click on the preview to preview your filter. So this is how it will looks like after getting export. So once I have done, I have to simply click on next, and I have to choose the event date. And once I have clicked on the next, I have to choose the location. It's a bit weird, but you have to go for it because it's not an optional. So once you have done selecting your location, you have to go for the checkout process. Click on continue. Now once you are here, you have to simply enter your card details, or you can also pay with PayPal, and you are good to go. So that's how basically you can create your own Snapchat filter.